In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear app cache on iPhone without deleting your apps. So let's go ahead and make our way to our settings. From here, go to General, iPhone Storage, and then go ahead. As you see, certain apps use more space than others. All you have to do is go ahead and choose an app that you want to get rid of the cache data. Let's go ahead and choose Instagram or YouTube here. Go ahead and offload the app. Go ahead and hit offload. And then once that's done, go ahead and hit reinstall app. This will actually give you the newest version of the app as well. So there is an added benefit to this. Another thing we can do is back out of our settings and go to our app store. Go to your profile at the top right-hand corner and then go down to personalized recommendations and go ahead and clear app usage data, and this is going to go ahead and clear up all that data and all that cache that is on your phone. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and get rid of